Hi, I'm Di. Thanks for joining me. Today I'm going to be showing you another Maltese recipe, and the recipe is called cookie rings spiced with cumin seeds. So join me as we make it, and I hope this inspires you to make it too. So here is my Maltese cookbook, and here you can see the recipe I'm going to be cooking. Cookie rings spiced with cumin seed. So this is the ingredients we're going to be using. There's flour, sugar. Now it calls for margarine and lard. I don't have any lard, so I've just replaced the lard with extra margarine. We need 2 eggs, we need baking powder, and of course we need cumin seeds. So let's get on and make it. So in our bowl we need to add the flour, baking powder, and in this bowl we've got our margarine and our sugar. Now we need to mix those together. So I've got a wooden spoon here. I'm just going to mix that thoroughly till it's mixed right through. Now in this bowl we need to mix our eggs. And then we need to mix that into our margarine mixture. That's mixed in, and then we need to add all the flour and the baking powder, and we need to mix that to a dough. And if it needs any more liquid in there, we need to add a little bit of milk. I didn't show you that in the ingredients. Yeah, I'm definitely going to need some milk. There we go, we've got our dough there, all mixed. So now I'm just going to spread some flour down. And I'm going to take some of that dough and I'm going to roll it out like a sausage. I may have added a little bit too much milk and made this dough a little bit soft. This is the first time I've made it. I've never made these before. So we'll just see how we go. Now, I'm just going to break a bit off there so that I can keep rolling it. Now it says to form it into a ring. That's not going to join. I'm going to get a little bit of milk. Okay, the dough was just too soft to work with, so I've added some more flour to it to make it workable. And now I'm able to, I'll just flour my hands a little bit. I'm able to roll the dough out in my hands and make it into the shape that we want it. So there we go. It's a lot easier to handle. I did add too much milk to it and I just couldn't work with it. So that's just a little hint for you. Don't add too much milk. You can always add a little bit more, but you can't take it out. So there you go. And then I can join them up like that and then onto the tray. So I'm going to keep going. I'm just pinching off bits of the dough and just making individual ones here as I go. Just rolling them in my hands like that, making them into like a sausage shape. And when they get long enough, just joining them. That one's a little bit too hard to handle there. So just rolling it out, putting it round into a ring and just pressing it down. And there they are on my tray just there. So a hot cup of coffee or even a cup of hot chocolate. They're the sort of biscuit that I'd dunk in. So really nice, really, really nice. Thanks for